I'm going to quickly show y'all my new tubular lock pick I got from a website called dealextreme.com. It's klom is the people who make it, and I got it for $32. I doubt you could beat that. It works perfectly. It's well constructed. I'll go ahead and demonstrate how it works on this 7-pin Trimax trailer lock. Go ahead and push down all the pins. Flush it up on a flat surface. Tighten the chuck. Just give it a jiggle. There we go. And once you've already, picked the lock, this works basically as a key until you reset the pins. So I can lock it back up. There it is. I just want to show you all that real quick. Thanks.